Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Casey and this is where to be if you want to learn about online businesses. Today I want to talk about how to make your first video on YouTube. But before I go on, how do you make money from YouTube? There are various ways you can make money from YouTube. Number one is when you get monetized. AdSense will pay you for the adverts they show on your video. The second way to make money is when you get sponsored. Like people can pay you to feature their product, just like your traditional television. People can pay you to advertise on your channel. The third way is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you are promoting a product with a link. When people click on your link to buy the product, you get paid. Now, what are the things you need to know before you make your first YouTube video? The first thing is that you need to have a plan. Who is your target audience and what are they interested in? Then create topics around the things that your audience are searching for. Then the second thing is the gadget you need to make the video. I'm making this video with just a phone, a ring light with a tripod stand, and a lapel mic. Those are basically the things you need. Then after making your video, you need to edit. Most times I use InShot to edit. And then you need to know how to create your thumbnail. I've already made a video about that, so check it out. When you're ready with all this, you are good to go. Go ahead and make your video, edit it, and upload it. Then while uploading it, be very mindful about the title.
Okay.
You have to put a title that people are searching for. You have to put your place in place of your audience and think about what they search when they come on YouTube. Make that your title. And then write a description. This description will also help YouTube to understand what your video is all about, so that you can suggest it to people when they search for those topics. These are basically the things you need to know to create and post your first video on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel because I'll be telling you a lot more about online businesses and practical ways to actually do these businesses. I'm not charging you, this is free, but you have to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for listening. Make sure you watch the next video.